Hi everyone, and welcome again to Jonathan's vlog. In this video, I will be unlocking the Digital Vault, a deep dive into blockchain and cryptocurrencies. Blockchain and cryptocurrencies represent a revolutionary leap in how we perceive digital trust and financial transactions. This guide aims to demystify the complex world of blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies, offering a comprehensive understanding from their basic concepts to their global impact. Through clear explanations and detailed analysis, readers will gain insights into the foundational elements that make these digital phenomena so transformative. At its core, blockchain technology is a decentralized ledger that records transactions across multiple computers. This ensures that each entry is secure and immutable, preventing unauthorized alterations. The significance of blockchain lies in its ability to offer transparency, security, and efficiency in digital transactions, which is why it's considered the backbone of cryptocurrency systems. The genesis of blockchain technology dates back to the desire to create a system where digital information can be recorded and distributed, but not copied or altered. Its creation marked the beginning of a new era in digital security and trust, laying the groundwork for the development of cryptocurrencies. The history of blockchain is a testament to the relentless pursuit of innovation and the power of collaborative problem solving. Understanding the structure of a blockchain is crucial to grasping its functionality. A blockchain consists of blocks, transactions, and the chain itself. Each block contains a collection of transactions that are verified and added to the chain in a linear, chronological order. This structure ensures the integrity and veracity of the data recorded on the blockchain, making it nearly impossible to hack or compromise. Decentralization stands at the heart of blockchain technology, challenging the traditional centralized systems of control. By distributing the ledger across a network of computers, blockchain eliminates the need for a central authority, thus democratizing the flow and verification of information. This revolutionary approach not only enhances security, but also fosters a new level of transparency and trust among participants. Cryptocurrencies transcend the concept of simply being digital money by introducing a decentralized financial ecosystem. This evolution challenges traditional banking by eliminating intermediaries, offering faster transactions, and enhancing financial inclusivity. Their broader implications include the potential for smart contracts and decentralized applications, revolutionizing how we interact with digital services. The birth of Bitcoin marked a pivotal moment in financial history, establishing the first cryptocurrency. Its creation by an anonymous entity known as Satoshi Nakamoto introduced a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. This innovation laid the groundwork for trustless transactions, paving the way for a new era of financial independence. Altcoins, or alternative coins, signify the evolution of cryptocurrencies beyond Bitcoin. These digital currencies introduce diverse functionalities, improvements in speed, privacy features, and different consensus mechanisms. Their emergence has expanded the cryptocurrency market, offering users a plethora of options tailored to various needs and preferences. Understanding how cryptocurrencies work is crucial to appreciating their innovation. At their core, they employ blockchain technology to maintain a secure, transparent, and immutable ledger of transactions. This process is powered by a network of nodes, ensuring decentralization and resistance to censorship, fundamentally changing how digital transactions are conducted. Cryptography is essential in ensuring the security and integrity of cryptocurrencies. It safeguards transactions, verifies the transfer of assets, and controls the creation of new units. This cryptographic foundation ensures that cryptocurrencies remain secure from fraud and hacking attempts, fostering trust among users in the digital economy. Storing cryptocurrencies securely is paramount, and that's where the concept of wallets comes into play. These digital wallets not only store the cryptographic keys that prove your ownership of digital currencies, but also allow you to conduct transactions. Understanding how these wallets work and the different types available is the first step in managing your digital assets effectively. Cryptocurrency wallets are broadly categorized into hot wallets and cold wallets. Hot wallets are connected to the internet, making them convenient for frequent transactions, but also more susceptible to cyber threats. On the other hand, cold wallets are offline, offering enhanced security by making them virtually immune to online hacking attempts. The choice between hot and cold wallets depends on your needs for accessibility versus security. Hardware wallets, a type of cold wallet, offer a secure yet accessible means to store digital currencies. These physical devices store your private keys offline, and can be connected to a computer when you need to make a transaction. Their robust security features make them an ideal choice for storing large amounts of cryptocurrencies over an extended period. Software wallets provide a more convenient but less secure way to store cryptocurrencies compared to hardware wallets. These are applications that can be installed on your computer or smartphone, offering easy access to your assets. While they are generally secure, being online makes them more vulnerable to hacking than their hardware counterparts. Transferring cryptocurrencies involves a series of steps that ensure the secure movement of assets between wallets. Each transaction is signed with the sender's private key and is verified by the network before it's added to the blockchain. This process, while seemingly complex, is streamlined by wallet software to make sending and receiving cryptocurrencies as straightforward as possible. Understanding transaction fees and cryptocurrency transfers is crucial for anyone venturing into the digital currency space. These fees are not fixed and can vary significantly depending on the network congestion and the specific cryptocurrency. They serve as an incentive for miners or validators to process and confirm transactions, ensuring the security and efficiency of the network. By grasping how these fees work, users can make more informed decisions, optimizing their transactions for speed and cost-effectiveness. The blockchain ledger plays a pivotal role in the cryptocurrency ecosystem, acting as a transparent and immutable record of all transactions. This digital ledger confirms the ownership and transfer of assets, allowing for a trustless environment where transactions are verified through consensus mechanisms rather than by a central authority. Understanding how transactions are recorded on the blockchain is fundamental for recognizing the security and integrity of cryptocurrency transactions. Confirmations and blockchain consensus are essential concepts that ensure the validity and permanence of transactions. Once a transaction is broadcast to the network, it must be confirmed by network participants. The number of confirmations required varies by blockchain, impacting the time it takes for a transaction to be considered secure. This process, governed by consensus mechanisms like proof of work or proof of stake, helps prevent double spending and ensures the network's integrity. Mining is the backbone of many cryptocurrency transactions, particularly those using the proof of work consensus algorithm. Miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems, validating transactions and adding them to the blockchain. This energy-intensive process secures the network and introduces new coins into circulation as a reward for miners, balancing the effort and cost of mining activities with incentives to support the network's growth and security. Proof of work and proof of stake are two primary consensus algorithms that have shaped the cryptocurrency landscape. Proof of work, utilized by Bitcoin, requires miners to expend computational power to solve cryptographic puzzles. In contrast, proof of stake, as adopted by newer cryptocurrencies, selects validators based on the number of coins they hold and are willing to stake as collateral. Each method has its advantages and challenges, influencing the security, efficiency, and environmental impact of blockchain networks. The future of cryptocurrencies holds immense potential, with trends pointing towards increased adoption and technological advancements. Innovations such as decentralized finance, DeFi, and non-fungible tokens, NFTs, are reshaping the way we perceive value and ownership in the digital realm. As these technologies mature, we may witness cryptocurrencies becoming more ingrained in everyday transactions, challenging traditional financial systems and offering new forms of investment opportunities. Investing in cryptocurrencies presents a unique blend of opportunities and risks. The volatile nature of digital currencies can lead to significant gains, but also substantial losses. Potential investors should conduct thorough research and consider their risk tolerance before diving into this market. Diversification and a long-term perspective can help mitigate some of the risks associated with these investments. Initial coin offerings, ICOs, and token sales have emerged as innovative fundraising methods, allowing startups to bypass traditional venture capital routes. However, this space is fraught with regulatory uncertainties and risks of fraud. Investors interested in participating in ICOs should exercise due diligence, scrutinizing the project's white paper, team, and underlying technology to make informed decisions. The regulatory landscape for cryptocurrencies is evolving, with countries adopting varying approaches to oversight. Some jurisdictions have embraced blockchain technology and digital currencies, enacting progressive regulations that foster growth, while others have imposed strict controls or outright bans. Navigating this complex regulatory environment is crucial for businesses and investors in the cryptocurrency space. Cryptocurrency investors must prioritize security to protect their digital assets from theft and fraud. Employing strong passwords, using hardware wallets for significant holdings, and enabling two-factor authentication are essential steps. Staying informed about the latest security practices and being vigilant against scams can further safeguard investments in this dynamic market. In the rapidly evolving world of cryptocurrencies, the risk of scams and frauds cannot be overstated. Investors and users alike must navigate this landscape with caution as deceptive schemes become increasingly sophisticated. Educating oneself on the common types of frauds, from Ponzi schemes to phishing attacks, is crucial. Vigilance and a thorough vetting process for any investment or transaction can mitigate the risks associated with these digital assets. Cryptocurrencies are not just revolutionizing the way we think about money, they are reshaping the global financial landscape. By offering decentralized, borderless, and efficient financial transactions, they challenge traditional banking systems and fiat currencies. This shift towards digital currencies is fostering greater financial inclusion and democratizing access to financial services, particularly in underbanked regions of the world. The privacy offered by cryptocurrencies is both a feature and a concern. While they provide users with the ability to conduct transactions anonymously, this characteristic also attracts illicit activities. Balancing privacy with regulatory requirements to combat money laundering and terrorism financing remains a contentious issue in the cryptocurrency space. Blockchain technology, the backbone of cryptocurrencies, has applications that extend far beyond digital currencies. From securing medical records to streamlining supply chains and enabling secure voting systems, blockchain's potential is vast. Its ability to ensure transparency, security, and efficiency positions it as a transformative tool across various sectors. As we look to the future, embracing the possibilities of blockchain and cryptocurrencies is imperative. This digital revolution presents opportunities for innovation, financial empowerment, and global connectivity. However, it also demands a commitment to security, education, and regulatory engagement to realize its full potential. The journey of blockchain and cryptocurrencies is just beginning, and its impact on our world promises to be profound. Given that your request mentions outline points from 31 to 35, which don't exist in the provided outline, I'll take the liberty to create and elaborate on these hypothetical topics based on the theme and structure of your original request. Blockchain technology's potential extends into the realm of digital identity management. With its immutable and transparent nature, blockchain offers a secure and efficient means of storing personal information, revolutionizing the way we verify identities and manage digital records. This innovation promises enhanced privacy and reduced identity theft. Smart contracts, self-executing contracts with the terms directly written into code, are transforming traditional contract law and business transactions. By automating enforcement and execution, these digital contracts reduce the need for intermediaries, thereby lowering costs and increasing transaction speed, signaling a shift towards a more decentralized and efficient business model. The integration of blockchain into supply chain management introduces unprecedented levels of transparency and traceability. By enabling a secure and unalterable record of every transaction within the supply chain, blockchain technology helps in verifying the authenticity of products and combating counterfeit goods, thus fostering trust among consumers and businesses alike. Blockchain's influence on voting systems could redefine the future of democracy. By establishing a secure and anonymous way to cast votes, blockchain-based voting systems promise to eliminate fraud, increase voter turnout, and restore trust in the electoral process, potentially making elections more accessible and transparent. The convergence of blockchain with other emerging technologies like the Internet of Things, IoT, and artificial intelligence, AI, is set to unleash a wave of innovation across various sectors. This fusion is expected to result in more autonomous, intelligent, and efficient systems, paving the way for advancements in areas ranging from healthcare to smart cities, heralding a new era of digital transformation. Embracing the future of blockchain and cryptocurrencies requires an open mind and a willingness to explore the unknown. This guide has journeyed through the intricate world of blockchain technology and the vast ecosystem of cryptocurrencies. It illustrated not only the technical underpinnings, but also the transformative potential these technologies hold for our global financial systems. As we stand on the brink of this digital revolution, It's crucial to continually educate ourselves and engage with these innovations thoughtfully and critically. The blockchain and cryptocurrency space is dynamic, with new developments and discoveries emerging at a rapid pace. This environment offers a fertile ground for investment opportunities, technological advancements, and the reimagining of how we conceptualize value and trust in the digital age. However, as with any emerging technology, it comes with its share of challenges and risks. Navigating this landscape requires a balanced approach, combining enthusiasm with caution to make informed decisions that harness the benefits while mitigating potential downsides. Investing in cryptocurrencies, for instance, presents a unique blend of opportunities and risks. The volatility of digital currencies can lead to significant gains, but also substantial losses. As such, potential investors should conduct thorough research, understand the market trends, and consider their risk tolerance before diving into cryptocurrency investments. Furthermore, staying informed about regulatory changes and security measures can protect investors from unforeseen pitfalls. The regulatory landscape for cryptocurrencies is continually evolving, reflecting attempts by governments and financial institutions to adapt to the rapid pace of digital innovation. These regulations are crucial for ensuring security, preventing fraud, and fostering a stable economic environment for cryptocurrencies to thrive. As participants in this space, staying abreast of these changes and understanding their implications is vital for both users and investors. In conclusion, the journey into the world of blockchain and cryptocurrencies is one of discovery, learning, and adaptation. This guide serves as a starting point, offering a comprehensive overview of the key concepts and considerations. However, the true depth of knowledge lies in ongoing exploration and engagement with the community. By embracing the future with curiosity and caution, we can navigate the complexities of this digital frontier and contribute to its growth and maturation. Given the provided outline numbers, 41 to 45, fall outside the range of the initial outline provided, 1 to 30, I'll craft content based on the progression of topics covered in the existing outline, focusing on the latter sections for guidance. Exploring the regulatory landscape for cryptocurrencies reveals a complex tapestry of global standards and local norms. Nations vary widely in their approach, from outright bans to welcoming regulatory frameworks aimed at fostering innovation while protecting investors. This diversity reflects the ongoing debate over how to balance financial freedom with the need for oversight. Security measures in the cryptocurrency realm are paramount, as the digital nature of these assets makes them appealing targets for cybercriminals. Investors are urged to employ a combination of strong, unique passwords, two-factor authentication, and cold storage options to safeguard their holdings. Educating oneself on these practices is the first line of defense against potential threats. The cryptocurrency sector, unfortunately, is not immune to scams and fraudulent schemes. Phishing attacks, fake ICOs, and Ponzi schemes are just a few of the tactics used to prey on unsuspecting investors. Vigilance and a healthy skepticism toward too good to be true offers are essential for protecting one's investments. Cryptocurrencies have begun to leave an indelible mark on global finance, challenging traditional banking and monetary systems. Their ability to facilitate fast, borderless transactions has not only attracted investors, but has also prompted governments and financial institutions to reconsider their operational models. The conversation surrounding cryptocurrencies and privacy underscores a growing public concern over digital surveillance and financial autonomy. As these digital currencies offer a degree of anonymity not typically available in traditional financial systems, they highlight the complex interplay between privacy, regulation, and technological innovation. Thanks for watching. If you like the content, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more.